Are you still keeping all your cash in the bank and hoping to get any returns on it? I hate to tell you this, but here's the truth. Every time you make a deposit into a checking or savings, you basically leave them with your money so they can lend that to someone else. And they appreciate you for that, of course. That's why they give you like 0.2% on your money that you have in their banking. But we want to stop that. We want our money to work for us, not for the bank. So here are the top 4 accounts you should have. And then this is how you manage them. 1. Checking account. Day-to-day expenses. You should keep 1 to 2 months of living expenses. That's it. Enough to cover bills, groceries, and other recurring expenses without leaving too much idle cash. 2. Savings account for emergency fund. You should keep 3 months of expenses. A small buffer for emergencies, but most of your emergency fund should go into a high-yield savings account. 3. High-yield savings account for short-term goals. Keep 3 to 6 months of living expenses. It's liquid, meaning easy to access, but earns interest, usually 4 to 5% APY. Pro tip: use this for emergency savings and short-term goals like a down payment to buy a house. 4. Investing in index funds and stocks. If you're new to investing, stick to simple, like index funds best for long-term growth and simplicity. Try index funds like S&P 500 ETFs, like VOO, SPY, etc. Historically, they returned 8 to 10% per year, way better than a bank.